बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एग्ज़ाम्स विद मुनव्वर। आज की इस वीडियो में हम स्टाफ ऑफिसर पेपर BPS 14 हेल्ड ऑन जो 17/12/2022 को हुआ था, इसके MCQs को डिस्कस करेंगे। कंप्लीट वीडियो को वॉच कीजिएगा, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा, वीडियो को शेयर कीजिएगा और अगर आप चैनल पर नहीं हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। तो आइए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इन MS वर्ड इंडेंटिंग पैराग्राफ अलाउ यूजर्स to set text within a paragraph at different dash. Correct answer D, tabs. Question number 2, dash are the blank space around the edges of the page. Correct answer A, page margins. Question number 3, dash means sending and receiving data through transmission medium. Correct answer B, data transmission. Question number 4, a worksheet is an electronic spreadsheet that lets user to. Correct answer D, all of the above. Question number 5, in MS Excel a dash identifies a range by the cells located at diagonally opposite corners. Correct answer B, range. Question number 6, to solve a given problem by using a computer you need to write dash for it. Correct answer B, a program. Question number 7, dash is powerful publishing software that handles Urdu, Arabic, Persian, English and other languages. Correct answer A, in page. Question number 8, flowchart is dash representation of algorithm. Correct answer D, both A and B. Question number 9, in flowchart dash represents input or output. Correct answer C, a parallelogram. Question number 10, volatile memory is computer memory that dash power electricity to maintain the stored information. Correct answer A, require. Question number 11, CPU consists dash basic components. Correct answer D, all of the above. Question number 12, when you cut text it is removed from its original location and placed in a temporary storage area called. Correct answer B, clipboard. Question number 13, the Office clipboard is available in all Windows based programs and can be used to. Correct answer D, all of the above. Question number 14, shortcut to open the replace dialog box is dash. Correct answer B, Control plus H. Question number 15, system unit contains dash main ports. Correct answer A, 2. Question number 16, there are dash basic types of RAM. Correct answer A, 2. Question number 17, dash is a storage system where the data is stored and read in a fixed or linear order. Correct answer B, direct access. Question number 18, a typical HDD hard disk drive design consists of a spindle that holds flat circular disks, also called dash, which hold the recorded data. Correct answer C, platters. Question number 19, flash drives are also known as dash. Correct answer D, all of the above. Question number 20, dash are those words which have their special meaning within the C++ language. Correct answer D, both A and B. Question number 21, dash function is the point by where all C++ programs starts their execution. Correct answer C, main function. Question number 22, in MS Word formatting is classified into dash types. Correct answer A, 2. Question number 23, in MS Word on the Insert tab for symbols click the arrow next to. Correct answer A, equations. Question number 24, in MS Word in indent paragraph dash control the left boundary for every line in a paragraph except the first one. Correct answer B, hanging. Question number 25, in MS Word Control plus K shortcut key is used for dash. Correct answer D, insert hyperlink. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel Exams with Munawwar.